Hi, this is Defense Attorney John Tiekle, and I'm here to talk to you about counterfeit money and counterfeit money prosecutions, often referred to as counterfeit currency. Now, these are usually prosecuted in federal court, sometimes in state court if the bill or denomination is a real small amount. Usually they are investigated by the U.S. Secret Service and prosecuted by the U.S. Attorney's Office. Now, these counterfeit currency or counterfeit money charges in federal court, the federal statutes actually allow for prosecution for simply possessing counterfeit money or passing counterfeit money or manufacturing or printing counterfeit money and even possessing plates or computer images that are used to print or manufacture the counterfeit money. Now, counterfeiters or printers, those who actually manufacture or make the counterfeit money, will use plates if they are of now the old school or computer images to create counterfeit money. They would use dye for the right color if they did it the older way. Of course, now they rely a lot more on computer images, and then they have their printers that they would print out for their counterfeit money. This is why the Department of Treasury changes bills, dollar bills, $100 bills, 50s, 20s, every so often to try to stay ahead of anybody who's getting close to counterfeiting. Now, you can also be prosecuted for counterfeiting stamps, documents used by the federal government, federal court documents, things like these. But usually you're going to find counterfeit money, counterfeit currencies. Now, where some people get in trouble when they don't intend to or not trying to is if you receive a counterfeit bill and then you pass it not knowing that it's counterfeit. In other words, if you get change from someone or you get paid by someone in cash and it turns out to be counterfeit money, and if you pass it, go to the bank and try to deposit it or do something like that, you might stand to be arrested, especially if it's a local police officer who wants to just make sure you're not getting away and they arrest you, as opposed to a Secret Service agent or the U.S. Attorney's Office, who will then do a more thorough investigation. So if someone from the bank or a security guard or even a law enforcement officer confronts you about currency that you received and you had no intent to possess or pass any counterfeit currency, call me, John Tiekle, and I'll be glad to help you with it. Thank you.